PandaDoc is one of the most popular productivity tools for creating, managing, and tracking documents. But before you decide if it's right for you, here are 12 things you need to know that could save you time, money, and frustration. Stick around, and by the end, you'll know whether it's the best choice or if there's a better alternative for your needs. First up, PandaDoc offers robust document creation tools. You can start from scratch or use customizable templates, but compared to competitors like DocuSign, PandaDoc's template variety and design tools stand out for teams that need visually appealing proposals. However, if your needs are simpler, DocuSign might be less overwhelming. Next, PandaDoc's built-in e-signature functionality is seamless and legally binding. While DocuSign and Adobe Sign also excel here, PandaDoc integrates e-signatures with additional features like payment collection and approvals, which some competitors don't natively offer in one package. The third thing to consider is the pricing. PandaDoc's plans start at a higher price point than some competitors like HelloSign, but it includes more features up front. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option and only need basic features, HelloSign might be worth exploring. Another key feature is its CRM and workflow integrations. PandaDoc works well with tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zapier, making it ideal for sales teams. Competitors like Proposify also integrate with CRMs, but may not offer the same level of automation or customization in workflows. The fifth point is ease of use. PandaDoc has a straightforward interface, but for absolute beginners, tools like Sign Now might feel simpler. However, the extra complexity in PandaDoc can save time down the road once you get the hang of it. Next up is collaboration. PandaDoc allows multiple users to comment, edit, and approve documents in real time. Compared to alternatives like Adobe Sign, this feature is much more dynamic and tailored for team environments. The seventh thing to know is its analytics. PandaDoc provides detailed insights, showing you when recipients view, sign, or interact with your documents. While Proposify also offers analytics, PandaDoc's real-time notifications can give you a competitive edge for follow-ups. Onto customer support, PandaDoc offers 24/7 live chat and a robust knowledge base. Many users find this more reliable than what competitors like DocuSign offer, where you might face delays during off hours. The ninth thing is scalability. Whether you're a freelancer or a large enterprise, PandaDoc grows with you. Competitors like Sign Now might suit smaller teams better, but lack some of the advanced tools larger organizations need. Next, PandaDoc's mobile app is highly functional, letting you create and manage documents on the go. While DocuSign and HelloSign also have mobile apps, users often praise PandaDoc for being more feature-rich and intuitive on smaller screens. The 11th thing is security. PandaDoc is compliant with major regulations like GDPR and SOC2, so your data is in safe hands. Competitors like Adobe Sign offer similar security measures, but PandaDoc's extra transparency and compliance documentation is a plus. Lastly, consider its learning curve. Although it offers powerful features, it may take a bit longer to master compared to simpler tools like HelloSign or Sign Now. If you're pressed for time, this might be a drawback. So, is PandaDoc the best solution for you? It's a solid choice if you need all-in-one functionality for creating, signing, and managing documents. But if you're looking for a better alternative with a free trial, check out our recommended solution, linked below, to see how it compares.